So after hours and hours of searching, I found 5 apps that you can download and literally start making money with. I have tried using these applications and also told my friends about these applications, and they all work. All you need is just your mobile phone. I can truly vouch for these apps that are 100% legit and they work fine. They pay you with real cash and they do it regularly based on the work you do. I will be showing you exactly how to make loads and loads of money just through your mobile phone. So remember to watch this video all the way until the end so you can fully understand how to do this. Remember to not skip out of this video so you won't end up confused and dumbfounded when you enter these applications. What's up guys? Welcome back to your favorite money-making channel. The channel where we teach you how to hack your way to generating easy money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also, smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let me show you the hack to making money. Alright you guys, this is going to be a very exciting one. People have been asking for it. So starting with app number 5, this app is called Field Agent. Field Agent represents themselves as an app that focuses on finding opportunities for everyday people like you to make money. Essentially, how Field Agent works is they deploy shoppers all over the United States and around the world, share their opinions, and most importantly, get paid to do so. This app is available completely for free to download, and once you do download it, you will see a map and it will show you when jobs are nearby. And obviously, in bigger cities, there is going to be more jobs and more potential to actually earn money. But as long as your city isn't too small, there should be some jobs that you can go ahead and do. Some of these tasks definitely can appear very random. Some of the tasks will ask you to go into a retail store and take a picture of a piece of food or a can of soup or something like that. And the reason that companies are actually willing to pay for that is they want to see how their actual product or service is being displayed in these grocery stores or retail chains or outlets. And with each job generally taking about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, you can roughly earn just enough just to use the Field Agent app to take random pictures and go into stores and perform random tasks. So if you have some free time on your hands and you want to earn per hour to go to random places in your city and take photos of random cans of soup, then the Field Agent app might be for you. App number 4 is an app called Fope. And I know that is kind of a ridiculous name, but this app is actually really cool. And basically, what the Fope app allows you to do is upload pictures from your smartphone and get paid to do that because there are thousands of companies from all around the world that constantly need royalty-free pictures of their products or services, and most companies don't want to go and hire full-time photographers and videographers to actually take photographs of all their products out in the world when they can do what's called crowdsourcing. What crowdsourcing essentially means is it gives companies the opportunity to buy awesome images of their actual products or services that are taken by everyday people like you. And so, if you are taking photos with your smartphone every day, you might as well start to get paid for those photos that you are taking. And if a company likes your photo, the company will actually buy it from you. Now, most photos on Fope sell for around $10, and Fope gives you a 50% commission, which is actually very generous because they did all of the work to create the marketplace and to popularize the app and attract companies that are willing to pay you. So if you make 50% commissions on a $10 sale, that means that if a company likes the photo that you uploaded, you would make $5 every single time one of your images is bought. And like anything, you will get better at doing this. Maybe, when you are first starting, you are not going to take the best pictures. But if you already like photography, and you already like taking pictures with your phone, this is a great way to start earning some side income. If you guys are enjoying this video, Take a quick pause and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money hacking videos for you guys. Now, let us get back to the video. Number 3 is the app called Google Opinion Rewards. Now, the Google Opinion Rewards app has over 1 million, close to a 5-star review. And you know that anything developed by Google is going to be 100% legit. Google Opinion Rewards was initially a mobile survey app for Android and iOS developed by Google. The application allows users to answer surveys and earn rewards on Android and on iOS. It allows users to answer surveys and actually get paid directly to their PayPal. Not many people actually know that Google has a rewards program where you can go ahead and download these free apps, answer a few basic questions, and you can get paid for voicing out your opinions. Because the thing is, your opinion and your feedback is incredibly valuable to Google. And Google, like many large companies, is willing to pay you for it to improve their user experience and to improve their products. The app number 2 is called Dosh. Now, Dosh recently raised $44 million in investor money because they are obviously doing something that people are interested in, and something that's making them money, but more importantly, making you money. Basically, how Dosh works is you make money and you get a cashback to spend money you would most likely already be spending on, like at restaurants and hotels, and literally thousands of companies and providers that Dosh has partnered with. But even more so than just earning cashback to go and eat at your favorite restaurants or go to your favorite hotels, you can also make money with Dosh using their affiliate program. Every time that you actually sign up and add a new payment method to your own app, you actually get a $1 sign-up fee, and you can also get a $5 referral fee by signing other people up to the Dosh app. So maybe you have people following you on social media, so you could post it on your own Facebook or Instagram. Or maybe you could even make a YouTube video talking about what Dosh is to get people to actually sign up through your own link. Or you can just download the app, hook up one of your payment methods, and just use the app to earn free cashback doing your favorite restaurants or hotels. And the cool thing is Dosh is growing very quickly, which means that you know that they are going to be constantly adding new companies, new features, and new ways to earn more cashback for you, which means the sooner that you sign up, the better you will get at it, and the more cashback referral fees and sign-up bonuses you could potentially earn. Now, the number 1 app and way to make money with no pre-existing skills and no money to get started using just your cell phone is called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is an American online and mobile marketplace that matches freelance labor with local demand, allowing customers to find immediate help with everyday tasks like cleaning, moving, or delivery work. And the cool thing about TaskRabbit is you do not need any pre-existing skills to help someone move by moving boxes or to clean something. TaskRabbit employees can make a significant wage. I actually hired people off of TaskRabbit myself to help me move some of my furniture, and I was paying them $50 per hour to actually help me move some of my couches and help me move a few boxes from one house to one of my other houses. If you are capable of actually picking up a box and moving it, or you are capable of cleaning things, or you actually enjoy doing that type of stuff, you can earn by doing very basic stuff, and you can do it entirely from your cell phone. And that's it! You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And I'll see you next time.